So as you can see, I kind of go nuts when it comes to my toys. I was in the market for a new truck, and of course, I wanted something super dialed in. So I thought I'd head down to Toyota Puyallup to see what they had in stock for truck accessories. Man, I ended up driving off the lot in a brand new, insanely awesome, fully loaded Toyota Tundra. Alloy wheels, tube steps, remote engine start, killer bike rack, pretty much everything I could ever want for my truck. Toyota Puyallup. They hooked me up with a sweet setup. Go check them out.